August 10th, 2010. I'm gonna pull my last thunderstorm video and replace it with this one because it's definitely raining as hard as last night. I don't know where this water's gonna go. There went our power. I just lost my power, but the neighbor's got his. Intense lightning, just intense lightning. I got my power back. High winds, heavy rain, intense lightning. It's monsoon. We're getting a monsoon in Des Moines, Iowa. And it's always late at night. It's always after midnight or so. These storms kick in and they're just severe and intense. And the air is just very thick in the afternoon, hot and thick. Reminds me of growing up in Orlando, Florida. So, here's your update. More rain. Lots of lightning. And a train in the distance. Have a good night, YouTube.